What is good, guys? Welcome to Trade Recap Day. Today is Wednesday, 29 July 2026. I'm gonna go over today's price action. The one trade and that I take it today. I made $628 in the day trading the Nasdaq. Okay, bro, this week has been literally rough, bro. It's been tasting my patience. Like Monday, we have obvious draws, obvious move, and no entries again, bro. I was like, oh gosh, bro. Then same thing happened on Tuesday. Yesterday it was the same stuff, bro. Obvious, super obvious move overall, but no freaking valid entries or just not enough like confirmation or good structure overall. And finally today, freaking the move was still freaking obvious, and finally patience paid. And I took this trade. I'll show you guys here. Okay, this is the trade I'm gonna take in. Okay, it's well, I'll go over today's price action. Okay, but all I gotta say is beauty, beauty. If you guys didn't take this, honestly, I mean, I could see why you guys don't take it today. Was pre FOMC. Um, FOMC days don't normally look too good. What I'll normally do is just hop on the charts. If I see stuff, but it's not like super obvious, I would not just take anything. But if I see like a super obvious trade, I mean, if it's like super obvious, I would not mind taking it, and that's literally what happened today. So yeah, let's get into it. So comment of the day, I did have a mixed bias. Reason for this is how weird we were reacting of this monthly fair value gap right here that we tapped yesterday, right? I wanted to see how we react of that. Normally when we start to chop, we low-key get ready for another distribution. Uh, in this case, a reversal to all-time highs. But I was still super bearish looking at ES. I mean, ES was screaming bearish, bro. There was a ton. When I say a ton, is a ton of liquidity down here that I really wanted to see get taken in order to distribute to the upside. So yeah, also ES was respecting this 4 hour for value gap, printing wicks and turtle soup in it, right? And Nasdaq at London, as you guys see right here, did respect this 30-minute for value gap, plus respecting the fuck out of this OTE, right? OTE, I've been implementing OTE on my strategy a lot. I've been testing it a lot on my back testing. It's been paying a lot. And honestly, it really helps in order to determine your bias whenever some stuff is looking a little ugly, right? So, yeah, um, at open, what do we do? So at open, we honestly opened high, and we did tap this 50-minute intermediate low right here, plus this 50-minute for value gap right here. Why did I not take this? I really wanted to see a obvious displacement. This two 50-minute for value gaps were my condition, so I really wanted to see how we respect them, right? I don't want to. I really don't want to take anything till we see obvious respection or disrespect. So I was still kind of looking to what price was doing. Okay, if you took this short, uh, honestly, I don't think it's bad. I feel like you just need a little bit more confirmation. That's pretty much it, right? Also, you're inside of a 3 minute for value gaps. So you kind of want to wait for that, even though it's a Judah swing to immerse since how weird price is and that point on the day, right? So, yeah, after that, we get the resweep of the high, and here, after this, we get this beautiful, okay, we get this beautiful 2 minute short right here. There's the inverse for value gap right there, and this end up playing out. Why did I think this trade is way better? Well, honestly, just thinking about again OTE, bro. This now is going back to OTE, respecting OTE, and then distributing for them. That's why I've been telling you guys that honestly, if you guys are a little confused about your bias, use OTE, bro. EQ, OTE are literally for their for these kind of scenarios to actually understand where price wants to go, right? So here we get the optimal time entry, and as you guys see, this trade ends up playing out beautifully. I didn't take this. Why? Again, it was pre FOMC, and I only take like super obvious setups, and I still wanted to see how we reacted of how we could react of this for buy. So I kind of want to wait it more to see how the reaction was and just not get caught in any fake out, right? So yeah, this trade actually plays it prints crazy with a little bit of a chop, but that's pretty much fine. And then after this, right? Right. So after this, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. to open, right? So most of the trades that I normally take and end up working are around 9:30, all right, like a Judas or like super obvious move, or around 10 a.m., right? So what happened here is uh I do use PO3, the power of three, to actually understand if price wants to just do a reversal of just keeps on doing just keep on contributing on the move, right? So at 10 a.m. what did I see? We open here. 10 a.m. opens right here. Right here, right? And what do? We open high and then tap a key level. We do tap a 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, so you could have capitalized here of a 30-second fair value gap right there, but why did I not like this as much? Again, I want to see something obvious. I don't think a 30-second is going to be that obvious. Okay, so I want to wait for either high time frame inverse or just some crazy displacement, right? So what I was really kind of tweaking about on this trade was how we were um wicking EQ of the range. I kind of really wanted to see EQ of the range get tapped. I didn't really need it, but if I wanted to take a 30-second, of course I really wanted to see EQ of the range get tapped. So we didn't get that, but we were already in a way better position. We were a little bit more premium, so I'm down to take now a inverse. We have this 3-minute inverse for value gap right here, and we have a beautiful close. I did not take my position here. Again, I wanted to see like something crazy obvious. I feel like if you took this 3-minute for value gap right here, you're perfectly fine. I mean, there's nothing wrong about it, honestly. I was just freaking out a little bit about price action, about the high time frame picture, but that's just me, okay? So I did wait it for a 5-minute CISD right here. So now that we have the CISD, we have now this 5-minute OB that I place a limit order at, right? I place my limit order right here. I got fill there, and as you guys see, instant fucking dump. Crazy displacement, beautiful trade. I went break even at the low hanging fruit and ended up closing my trade a little bit early. Why? Because ES took all of the major sell side liquidity. Beautiful. Like this draw is a plus draw on liquidity, guys. Always focus on the draw on liquidity. But yeah, once we took that, I mean, I was already getting a super positive RR, so there really wasn't a reason for me to not just close my trade there. He ended up distributing though, but I mean, I was fine with my piece of the pie. I got around a 1.6 RR on the trade, and that's it. I mean, I'm really not gonna get over complicated on my trading. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, I didn't really see anything. I mean, we pretty much just chop and then just keep on distributing. I feel like if you have confidence on shorts, you could have capitalized off something here. But I was already off. I didn't really need anything else. So yeah, that's just gonna be it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, I've been trading pretty good. I've been really patient lately, and it's been paying a lot. So I'm super happy for that, honestly. But yeah, as you guys know, if you guys enjoyed the recap, you guys can subscribe and drop a like. Bottom. Also, I created a new Discord. So if you guys want to join, I'll be live trading there. I'll be running recaps. I'll be answering your questions. So if you guys want to check that out, link in bio right there. So yeah, that'll be pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully get something of it. And yeah, I'm out. Peace out. Beep.